So please join me in welcoming Navin. His speech is 5 to 7 minutes. The Cost of a Good Deal. The Cost of a Good Deal by Navin Chali.
Raise your hands if you have ever got hypnotized by a big, bold sale sign. Keep your hands raised up if you ever purchased something in sale that you didn't even need. Welcome to the group. Today, I'm going to share a funny eye-opening story that is from my achievement or disaster, depends on how you see it. My Black Friday shopping spree. Of course, my wife is not actually thrilled. It all started on a chilly Thanksgiving night where everyone was stuffing their turkey. I was opening my laptop and stuffing my online cart with good deals. Why? Because everything was on sale and the deals were too good to miss out. A waffle maker just for $19? Of course, it is the breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Roller blades, perfect for my next skating hobby. Garden tools, who knows, I might become the most followed Instagram gardening influencer. After hours of adventurous treasure hunt for my Black Friday deals, my online shopping cart looked like buffet of bargains. It had everything: garden tools, a treadmill, a drone, a waffle maker. It had everything except common sense. The shipping day has arrived. So did the boxes. Enough to block the sunlight coming into my home. My wife Shweta, she opened the door and she was shocked to see the piled up cardboard boxes taller than her. And she got so mad and started yelling at me, Naveen, what did you do? I know this would happen as I'm a smart husband and I'm prepared with my defense. I said, honey, these are all investments for our future. She raised her eyebrow and she pointed her finger at the treadmill and said, what is this for? I said, it is for fitness, and I gave my most athletic running pose. She said, really? For fitness? So, this is like the yoga mat that you purchased in the last year's Black Friday deal and which you are currently using it to slide under the bed? I just ignored that zap and moved on to my next amazing deal, a drone. Honey, look at this beauty, an amazing drone which can take aerial shots of our family vacation and it covers the 360 degrees of the surroundings and environment around us. She said, she pointed and narrowed her eyes and she really said, firstly, it's been 3 years that we went on a family vacation. And second thing, if this drone costs more than our monthly grocery bill, I'm going to use the same drone to send you to the moon. It didn't stop there. She picked up the box of garden tools and started waving at me and said, are you going to start farming now? Or are you feeling bad for the plants that you already killed? I tried to salvage the situation by saying, I might went a little overboard, but these are all amazing deals. Naveen, a deal is only good if you really use the stuff. Otherwise, it is going to become a garage clutter with a discount tag on it. And she left. As I was looking at that night at my investments, I had to admit she was right. The waffle maker never came out of the box. The rollerblades had never touched the pavement. And the garden tools, let's just say, they are only growing my embarrassment. So Here's what I learned. A good deal is not always equal to good decision. Instead of spending money that you might use one day, invest that on something that will improve your future. Like joining a course which will improve your skills, or joining a gym which will make you healthier, or investing in that therapy which will bring you peace of mind. Or if you want to have an immediate result, join Toastmasters. Here you have amazing community and provide you lots of opportunities to grow and lots of amazing mentors around us. Of course, no one is going to counter you on your shopping habits, at least not out loud. Jokes apart, these are all the important things that you can improve in your future skills, like a compound interest. So, the next time, if you ever feel like purchasing something in a deal, just imagine, is this going to improve my future or is this going to end up as a garage clutter? If you tried everything and if you still can't do what you are trying to do, just bring your spouse on your shopping spree. Trust me, their raised eyebrows will save you a lot of money. So at the end, just spend wisely, not for today's thrill, but for tomorrow's growth. Thank you.
What a great speech, Navin. Thank you so much. And you definitely